Hello, today I'm in Renault Espace. In this video I'll show you how to set map destination. In the beginning take a look at the screen display and now go to menu. Enter navigation, destination, and now you can select from address, previous destinations, points of interest, favorites, coordinate and on map. Let's select address and now enter country. Enter city and street name. Then enter house number. Select and the route is set. Tap go and it's done. To stop the route, go to navigation, wait a second. Go to map, menu and stop guidance.
Are you sure?
Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.